Welcome back to yet another skill, and that skill is objects at scale. The first thing is I'll define for you a scale, then give you an example, and finally tell you how important understanding this skill is and where you can apply it in the real life situation. Please have somewhere to write, and if you're new here, please subscribe to Prepsaret YouTube channel. What is a scale? A scale is a ratio. A scale is a ratio. So we can say this is a ratio. This is a ratio or proportion is a ratio or proportion between the actual size of an object and its image and its representation. And in this case, we can have that representation as a model or diagram. And the concept of skills is useful in creating models. Creating models and also maps. Models and maps. Let us go into an example. Our example is a word problem, and we have choices. We have 4 choices. So we'll do this example together and see which of the 4 choices is correct. Now the question reads, a scale drawing of a house uses a scale of 0.5 inches is equals to 2 feet, or 0.5 inches represents 2 feet. What is the length in inches of a line on the scale drawing that represents an actual length of 5 feet? Solution. The information that we are given is 0.5 inches represents or is equals to 2 feet. Right? That is the first information that we are given. Then it means 2 feet in reality. We need to find the length on the scale drawing that represents the actual length of 5 feet. So in this case, we set up a proportion. We set up a proportion based on the scales or the scale, based on the scale. And how do we set up that proportion? This is what we say. 0.5 inches over 2 feet is equivalent to, look at this, a number of inches we don't know, and in this case we can use a unknown. Let us say y inches over 5 feet. We have come up with an unknown y so that we can try and look for the value of y. Solve for y by cross multiplication like this. solve for y by cross multiplication. So this is what we shall have: 0.5 inches times 5 feet is equivalent to 2 feet times y inches, 2 times y. 0.5 times 5 is 2.5 is equals to 2 times y is 2y. Solving for y, we divide by 2 on both sides of the equal sign. 2 cancels with 2, you get 1. And then 2.5 divided by 2, if you use your calculator, you get 2.25. Sorry, 2.5 divided by 2, you will get 1.25. So by this there, you get y is 1.25. That is the answer. But the answer is given in units, 1.25 inches. So we have created a proportion based on the scale, whereby 0.5 inch divided by 2 feet is equals to a known number of inches, what we are looking for, divided by 5 feet. We cross multiply and we get our answer as 1.25 inches. So 1.25 inches is our correct answer, and from the choices that we had, our correct answer is A. Thank you for watching our video. Let us meet in our next video.